Hello, everyone. In this video, we will explain how to batch merge and export a batch of FBX files. What does this mean? Sometimes you find that this batch of motions is useful, and the game or project needs these motions and a batch of FBX files, but it needs to be merged with a certain character, such as this robot. Then the merged FBX is based on this robot, like its bones and its naming and so on, and then export the batch of motions based on this robot. At this time, we can batch merge these motions with this robot, and then export a batch of FBX files. How to do this? So first of all, there are two things to notice. The first is that this robot must have an FBX file itself. Let's open the folder. You can see that there is an FBX file here. This is not a pure GLTF file without FBX, this is an FBX file. It's normal. For example, let's open this Eli and take a look. It also has an FBX file, and this adventurer is also okay. The second thing is that this operation is based on the folder. For example, if you select these files here, it may not be convenient to operate. If you just want to use them, you need to create a subfolder, otherwise, you won't be able to that. Let's try it. First, create a subdirectory here. Name it Test FBX Export Batch. Okay, you can see it's empty inside. Then we select them, right-click and hold with moving, put it in. You can see that the 15 files we just selected are added. The total count remains the same when you select the parent directory. It will display its own content plus all subdirectories, just like this root one. It's the same for this one. Okay, these 15 are our target FBX files. Let's pause this FBX, select this robot. We will use this robot as the target character. After selecting, don't touch anything else. Switching, right-click on folder. Click on Batch Combine. The frame rate can also be set. For example, the regular frame rate is 30. Other options are some auxiliary options. You can choose whether the exported FBX will be played in reverse or mirrored. All of these can be adjusted. Now, click Export to. We export it to this location. Let's choose this one. And then just give it a random name. Find an empty folder in this location, click Select Folder. At this point, it will start exporting. The exporting process takes some time, depending on the complexity of the character and the number of files. After clicking Confirm, it's done. At this point, let's take a look. Under the G drive, in this AC resource folder, this resource Batch FBX folder, okay, you can see that the hierarchy structure is the same as before. To ensure that, for example, if you have multiple levels, in case it has subdirectories or something, we will import them all into the subdirectories. You can see that all these FBX files are fine. Let's open Maya and have a test. Or, of course, we can also import it directly without opening Maya. That works too. We can just drag and drop it in. You can see that everything is normal. These are the batch motions. Let's just do one more. It doesn't matter which one. This is a victorious motion. AAA, these batch FBX files can be imported into UE or other software like Maya. The startup of Maya is a bit slow. Let me import it. You can see that it also has motions. It should be okay. Okay, this is how to use a character to batch merge and export a batch of FBX files. Thanks for watching.